So it's day 3 and we just woke up. And this is what they're doing now. They're kind of in cocoons. It's kind of blurry. Okay, now it's not anymore. It's focusing on V. It's over here.
She looks like a polyp.
Did we put it in her bag? She's going away!
Where'd it go?
In her backpack, right? Yeah. Okay. So we stole Beat. We stole Beat. And we made her believe that Charlie did. But she's on to us. Where is she?
Wait, I don't get what's happening.
I don't know. She's not saying anything.
You probably do.
Wait, did you get it from him? Did he confess that he took it?
It's probably in his backpack.
Search his backpack.
He does.
He's a liar. He's a liar.
You said on him.
He gave it to 2.
Look, it's the baby.
Why would he take it? He barely does anything.
Okay. But you believed us. So did you get it from him?
Why don't you have her?
You mean, why don't I have her?
I'm not recording.
Why don't you lying?
Did I
Looking this way for you, and I was, and then I was like,
that scream was bad. About to leave now. Everything is packed up.
See our tent.
And
V has some news.
she found Rosa.
Ask her what her news is.
Hey V, what do you have to tell?
Hi.
What'd you find?
Gum.
Oh my god. What's in your pockets?
My hands.
No, right there.
Right here.
Yeah.
My stomach. Man, my stomach feels good.
Can I see it?
You want to see my stomach?
Yeah.
But you can't see my stomach. You stop.
She's
So cute.
You stupid bee.
look, that's Rosa the Mexican hamster.
She's modeling for you.